Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the class in which I'll be teaching you all about format type in Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have inserted this sort of video which you can also insert and play with it. So I have got the video, make sure to click on that, and we've got the format type that is there. So we've got more of the options there, like preview, adjust group is there, and video style group is there, and also arrange and size. We'll try to play with all of these one by one. Let me teach you the first thing that is known as play. So if I click on it, it means the video will be played. And make sure to click on the second option, which is known as correction. Improve the brightness and contrast of the video. Make sure to click on it. And we've got more of the percentages. That depends upon you, which sort of percentage and which sort of contrast and brightness you want. Make sure to go with that and play with that. That will be giving the result according to your need. Make sure to click on another one which is known as color. Make sure to click on it and play with that according to your need. If you want to go one step back, make sure to hold the control or the command button and press Z button. Let me tell you before I move towards another option. Well, any key I use on keyboard or any click on mouse I use is also indicated there at the corner and at the bottom, at the left corner and the bottom. So for example, if I want to play that, see, that may tell me left button, and if I stop that or pause that, that will be telling me that left button. If I click on the right click of the mouse, so you must be observing that a right button, and if I hold the control or the command button and press Z button, you must be observing that it has given me indication that you are holding the control button and pressing Z button there. Let me tell you one thing more. If you want to go one step back, hold the control or the command button and press Z button, it will make you go one step back. If you want to go one step forward, once again, make sure to hold the control or the command button and press Y button. That will make you go for the next step that you have already been to that step. So click on it and make sure to click on format, and we have got reset design. Make sure to click on it. Let me apply any sort of color on it and also colorize that. This time I want to go and reset the design. See, this has changed. Let's try to move and play with a video style group in which we are having more of the options. So like if you want to change the shape of that, like beveled oval black, and this is the second one, like rotated gradient, and make sure to click on it. This is reflected bevel white. So that completely depends upon your wish and upon your need. Anyone you like, you can go and play with it. And we've got the next option like bevel rectangular. So we've got more of the shapes, like if you want to convert its shape to another shape, you can play with that. Make sure to go for video shape, which you can convert your video in sort of a shape that you need. Like for example, I want my video to be in this shape, like pentagon, if I'm not wrong by pronouncing that word, or maybe this word, or maybe this shape. So you must be observing that it has converted video to sort of shape. Make sure to click on the next option. You can also have your video like that. You can also go with that. So make sure to click on the second one, like video border, which you can give sort of a border to your video according to your need. Like I have given the border, let me change that to sort of red color and also increase the size of that so that it will be much more visible to you. Make sure to click on video effect. Let's try to use this option, which is also giving sort of great and attractive sort of design. Make sure to click on reflection. These are however not needed in videos, but you can apply on any sort of image. Let's try to reset all of that. Make sure to click on soft edges. Well, these are sort of options that I have to be teaching you, however that depends upon you that whether or not you want to use. So this is something that can be softening the edges of your video or sort of shape, bevel. Well, that looks so awkward to be applied on any sort of video. However, this is sort of option which you can apply according to your need. So let me apply furthermore, like width and height. So you must be observing that this is applying. Make sure to click on 3D rotation, which is however also not suitable for this sort of video, because this is video, so that may not be looking that much beautiful and attractive. Well, we've got another option there in the last, like if you want to give a size to that of the video, you can go and play with it. Moreover, we have got another option, crop the video to the height and width you want. So make sure to click on it and crop that according to your need. Hit enter, or maybe click on crop. So now you can see that I have got the video cropped. So make sure to click on it and play that. Now you must be observing that we are having video played. So that is what is working beautifully and magnificently. Make sure to stop that and go back for format. And then you can also rotate the video according to your need. Selection pane, which you can hide the video that you have. You can furthermore hide more of the options that you have in format tab. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.